Okay, so this is 15th India My Dreams by Saachi Arora. This 15th August, we all are celebrating India's 75th Independence Day. Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Through this, we are celebrating the glorious history of our people, culture and achievement. Here are my ideas of India or my dreams. I would love to grow in a happy, healthy and prosperous India. Let's make our country a clean, green and pollution-free nation. Follow the 3 R's: reuse and recycle. Let's celebrate all festivals with happiness and fun. Everyone should feel free to share their ideas and let's make it a safe place for everyone. Human, animals, and plants. Let's share, respect, and celebrate new ideas. In India, all my dreams, curious kids like me are always ready to learn, relearn, and unlearn. Unlearn means is the opposite of learn. So, unlearn means that if you have, for example, like if you have got something wrong in your mind, you can just take it out of your memory. Practice and build. Everyone is aware and maintains cleanness, health and hygiene around them to avoid any illness. Let's plant trees, educate ourselves and save use our natural resources wisely. Let every citizen of our country live in harmony and peace. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Happy Independence